Hi guys, kamusta kayo? How are you po? I hope you are doing well. At sa video po na ito ay saksihan ninyo, i-unbox natin ang mga ilaw na pinadala sa atin ng ating mga kaibigan mula sa Win Power LED. So, we have received this product almost 1 week na nakakaraan. But unfortunately, because of too busy stuff na ginawa ko the past few days, ay ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng oras talaga para buksan siya. No? So, dinala to ang napakaaga. Excited sana akong buksan kaso nagkaroon ako ng maraming trabaho ay hindi ko siya naharap. But, gusto kong i-open ito. Makita natin kung anong laman. Ano? So, these are sets of lights. At ito ay mga LED lights para sa ating sasakyan. Meron tayong mga ilaw na H4 at saka H11 at yun yung gusto nating makita ngayong araw na to sa mga video na gagawin natin. Tara, buksan na natin. Ooh. So this one is actually the H11 connection. Socket type is H11. So, ganda, elegante. Now here's another one. Okay. So it comes with this gloves. So meron na siyang insulation dito. So, of course, the usual gloves, cables. Ooh, chunky. Wow, I'm impressed. By the way, no, so meron siyang ballast, and yung socket niya is an H4, by the way. And then, as you can see, dito agad yung sa ano niya, no, yung sa case ano niya dito. Nalimutan ko yung tawag tuloy. Pero grabe yung ganda. Okay, lapit natin sa screen. Di ba? Buksan natin. May surprise konti. Yun! Grabe yung ganda. Natin basta yung ilaw nito. Okay, ito yung mga mahalin nilang mga ilaw, no? Kasi kung gusto mo rin naman gumastos, go ka na dun sa mga talagang top quality kaysa gumastos ka ng pucho-pucho. Babang kalidad naman, diba? I'm impressed. Grabe, super metallic yung casing nya, itong pinakabalas nya, no? And this will be the driver nung power niya dito sa pinakailaw natin. Nice one, by the way. Nice job. Okay. Okay. Wow. So again, may gloves, hindi nawawala, no? Tapos meron din tayong cable tie. Yun, no? Nice one. Yay, this is so nice. Turn the plug around. Oh, not working. Turn the plug around. Maybe it's the polarity, positive and negative. Okay. So, oh, nice one. So again, meron siyang ballast, no? But what about the other one? Wow, interesting. Okay, nice one. Oops. You see the LED is there. Yung ginamit niya na metal dito. Ang ganda ng pinaka-frame niya, yung labas. Isa to sa mga nagandahan ako na set nila ng ilaw. It's actually using a flower type screws. Nice one, by the way. This is it. Okay, nasilip na natin lahat ng mga variations ng ilaw natin, ano. So we have this one. I think this is both H11 socket. Okay. Then aside from the H11, meron din tayong mga H4 socket type, no? Ito yung ending nila. Now just to let you know, sobrang na-impress ako dito sa mga ilaw na to. Although hindi pa natin nakita yung talagang power niya, no? We're just talking pa lang tungkol sa ano nito, yung physical aspects niya, no? Of course, we have the fan, we have the ballast, yung wire na ginamit, mukhang makunat, no? Aramdaman mo naman, hawak mo pa lang, no? Then may instruction kasi kung minsan nagkakamali ng pagkakalagay dito. Okay, not working. Turn the plug around. Oh, diba? So medyo sturdy yung ginamit niya na wire. So this is a flat wire. Kasi ito naman yung round sa kabilang side. So ito itutusok natin sa socket natin. We'll be testing this sa Avanza para ma-check natin yung quality kaya niya ibigay. Now, ang something na nakagawa ng or nakatawag ng pansin sa akin dito is the LED itself. As you can see, yung ginamit niya na ilaw na bulb, I'm not really sure kung ano yung ginamit na ilaw dito. We'll be able to see kung ano yung kalidad nito. Pero meron siya ng ganito, no, dual yung ilaw niya, no. Of course, we have the low and the high. Tapos, ang kakaiba pa dito ay meron siya nitong parang some sort of lock na pag pinipihit natin siya, halimbawa gusto mong pihitin, narili niya naglalak yan. Diba? So nice. So, depende sa ano, malalaman mo kung ano yung ano. Tapos naka-fix. Kakaiba to dahil karamihan sa mga nakukuha nating mga LED o nabibili natin dito sa mga market ay hindi ganito. Parang nahuhugot lang siya basta-basta. Ito, meron siya nung parang ilan yung turning radius niya, no? Parang meron siyang lock para naka-fix yung ilaw. I'm so impressed sa physicality nito. Maybe we could test this at gamitin natin sa ating car, tapos susgahan natin yung mga power niya. Right? Excited na rin ako. Alam ko excited ka na rin. Sakto to para sa sasakyan mo. Ma-testing natin. Okay. Hey guys! Check out the new products of WinPower LED. You just have to type in the WinPower-LED to your browser and immediately you can go directly to their website. And their website looks like this. You can easily browse some of these lights so you can figure out what you will be needing for your car. You can check out the models. You can also check out with the socket type, so you can double check kung ano po yung pasok sa specific car po na ginagamit ninyo. So easily just go to the search bar and then type in the socket type if you know. If you're not sure, then just check out your manufacturer. Mine is the Toyota Avanza, so I'm going to search for H4. So these are the examples of the H4 socket. So this one is the 70 watts H4 9003 LED light bulbs. Right? So ito po siya. Technically ito yung pinadala po sa atin. The 6500K white high color. Okay, impressive design, nice one. The socket type, also in heat dissipation, and it's waterproof. Again, you can check out their website whenever you want. Makikita nyo naman yung material na ginamit dito. I'm impressed with the quality. Talagang sigurado tayong matibay at tatagal. So this video is going to be 2 parts. So this will be the first one. Check tayo sa website, tingnan natin yung product. And the second part will be the image talaga, or yung pinaka-output ng ating ilaw, kung gaano siya ka-effective. So you can browse their websites. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Just check out their websites and then look for the technology that could improve your visual, especially if you are driving at night or maybe long drive ang plano ninyo. Best option ay mag-invest tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng ilaw. So again, this is 70 watts H49003 LED headlight. You can also search the other one, which is what we call the H11 socket. Dali lang ma-figure out yun because it has 2 connectors only. And it's mainly positive and negative connection. And between the two, the H4 is for the main headlight and the H11 is for your fog light. They have this package that goes together. Meron sila nitong dual at meron din sila ng package na nakaset na talaga. So for your headlight and your fog light. Ang ganda ng design, no? Same thing pa rin sa mga nakita nating image. Yan, as you can see, meron po itong connections. Yung design niya ay almost identical dun sa tinatawag nating pwesto ng ilaw. And also, meron siya nung canvas ready for 98% of the vehicles. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang magiging cause ng error sa ating mga sasakyan. So, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Bili na!